Good afternoon, everybody. Steve Georgie here. It is October 8th, 2010. Big USDA report today. Big surprise for everybody. I'm sure you guys had seen those numbers here this morning. We were limit up all day for corn, beans, but not quite wheat. Wheat did finish limit up, but that put 30 cents higher on corn. Never traded off limit. Beans up 70 cents. Never traded off limit. Wheat up 60 here at the end of the day. We got about 50 higher at one point, maybe 48 higher at one point, but we did go back up and finish back to limit. We will see expanded limits come Sunday night. So we do trade here come Monday. I know it's a bank holiday as well, but we're going to see 45 cents higher, or we're going to see 45-cent limits for corn, $1.05 limit on beans. We're going to see 90-cent limits for wheat now. So we are going to see expanded limits. Synthetically, we could open up for corn up 36 to 38 cents. We could see the beans up about 12 to 14 cents higher. So those are where the options we're trading here. That's where futures could have been trading if we had open limits. So 36 to 38 higher corn, maybe 12 to 14 higher in the beans. And, we'll see how that's going to play out. It is certainly friendly. This report today was a big surprise for a lot of people, us being one of them. And you look at some of these outside markets, we really didn't have a lot of this reaction from the outside markets. Crude oil up $1. So it did find a little strength today. It was stronger here this whole week. 82.70 is where we stand right now for crude. You get the dollar that's down 7 cents, continuing its downtrend. We've been in a downtrend all week here for the dollar. It's continued to follow through here today. Did finish a little lower at 77.57. Still in a downtrend, is still negative. So we may see further sales next week. The metals, very friendly. Gold come in, make new highs almost every single day. We saw a little setback yesterday, but followed that up with a $10 rally here so far today, sitting at 13.43 right now. So still looking pretty friendly. May end up making some new highs here next week if that dollar continues to break. Silver up 52 cents after a huge slide yesterday. Sits at 23.10. So we're finding the metals continuing and recovering from yesterday's sell-off. Stock market right now hovering right around that 11,000 area. We are up about 50 points. Puts us just below that at 10,998. We'll see how that finishes here, though. Finish up above 11. I think guys are going to be a little friendly that as well. But we are sitting at that benchmark right now. And we'll see if we end up closing higher here at the close. The cattle, strong. Fat's up $1.77 in December. The back month's up a little bit more. Puts the December right at 98.90. Most of the strength in the livestock here due to the grains being up. Feeders were down $1.52. Puts the January right at 108.45. And as far as hogs, you had December hogs up $2.55. The back months were up limit. So the December up $2.55. You've got your Febs through June's actually limit up. And we'll see if that does carry into next week. I think if the grains are higher again, we could end up seeing the livestock strengthen up even more going into or as we go through next week. So give us a call over here. I know there'll probably be some guys in here Sunday night. You guys need to know where things are at. We'd be glad to help you out. Give us a call here at 800-262-7538. Check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you had a great day today, and have a great weekend. We'll talk to you next week.